Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating if it's not showing up. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing that I would recommend doing is opening up facebook.com or the Facebook app. Let's first check to make sure you meet all of the requirements for Facebook dating. The first and foremost is make sure that your account doesn't have any issues. So tap on the menu button at the bottom right, or it might be at the very top right there. So once you're in here, let's scroll down until you get to Help and Support and tap that drop down. And then let's tap on Support at the very top. After you've done that, just tap on your profile here and you'll be able to see Trevor Nace. Now, you're looking to see if there's any issues with your account. Maybe it says that it's suspended or there's a community guidelines violation or anything like that. You're looking to see if there's an indication why Facebook dating is not working. If everything looks good here, the next thing I would recommend doing is just typing in Facebook dating requirements, because there's certain requirements that are set up to allow you to date on Facebook. You can see the main account has to be active and in good standing for at least 30 days. You have to be 18 years or older in your birthday on the Facebook app. You have to be available on the Facebook app, either Android or iOS. The location has to be in a supported country. You cannot create a new Facebook dating profile for 7 days, etc. So if you follow all of these, then essentially you can move on to these next steps. If you're not necessarily sure if you're in that one of those Facebook dating countries, you can always look it up and load up the Facebook website here, and you can see the long list of countries that are approved for Facebook dating. You can see I'm in the United States, so I am in the country that allows that. Now, let's hop out of here and go back to Facebook, and I'm just going to go back home here. After you're on the Facebook app, you might see it at the very bottom here, but if you don't, you can tap on the menu button again. Let me tap on it again to get back to the menu. You might be able to see it in the shortcuts. You can see as I scroll down, there is Facebook dating. I can tap on it to open it up and either hit join dating or privately browse. If you don't see that, you can always go back out of here and tap on the gear icon at the top right, or just scroll down until you get to settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. We can automatically add it to this bottom section with all of these icons just by scrolling down, and you're looking for the tab bar. There it is. Tap on tab bar and then hit customize the bar. After you've done that, you're going to look for dating on this list. Keep in mind, it doesn't always show up on this list. You can see in my case, I don't see it anywhere on here, but if you do see it, and it's set to hidden, or if it's just set to auto, make sure to set it to pin so that you'll be able to always see that. Now, I can just tap on back and then go into dating and start this and initiate Facebook dating. If this still doesn't work on your device, the next thing that I would recommend doing is hopping out of here and opening up the settings app on your iPhone. Let me get out of here real quick. I'm in somewhere else. The settings app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And then we're going to scroll down and tap on General, and then scroll down to VPN and device management. Keep in mind, if you have a VPN turned on, even though you're in the United States, it might be routing all of your traffic over to a different country that doesn't support Facebook dating. So if you do have a VPN turned on, make sure to turn it off. And then the next thing we can do is just go back, and we'll scroll up to iPhone storage, and we're going to look for that Facebook app. It's really easy to fix a lot of bugs and glitches in the app by just choosing Facebook. And we're going to offload this app and then just reinstall it. By going through this process, it force updates it to the latest version, but more importantly, it clears out all of the cache and temporary files on that app and fixes tons of bugs and glitches. Now, after that's done reinstalling, all you need to do is open it up and go back to Facebook dating. It should be working at that point. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.